Hey guys, this is Shrubs and Poppers. I'm Anna, and this is my assistant, Elise. Today we're going to be doing a cat versus cucumber video with this cucumber, and the cat that we are testing this experiment on is MissyHissy, our farm cat, one of them at least. So we should be eating some kibble while we slip the cucumber behind her. Okay, well, that was a fail. Okay, so our cat versus cucumber was definitely a mega fail, but she just sniffed it and was like, the cucumber. Probably because she's a farm cat. But now we're going to test our dog, which is obviously not going to work because she's a dog, but we still want to test it. Okay, so now we are going to test this on our dog. Our dog Singer. Also a fail. Okay, so that was a fail, but now we can do this. Treat our dog to a cucumber. Woohoo! Yeah, our dog likes cucumbers. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this fail video of cat and dog versus cucumber. And the cucumbers totally dominated this one. So yeah. Maybe next time we'll try it on some of our other cats. Yeah. Bye.